Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now by confirming exactly what connector your headphones use: Lightning 3, 5mm adapter, or Bluetooth, because the route differs. Once done, update iOS to the latest build and set iPhone volume to full. Make sure no app is capping sound. Then go to Settings, Sounds and Haptics, Headphone Safety, and turn off Reduce Loud Sounds so the phone won't limit peaks. This removes software throttles before you move to the single reliable amplification step. Now make the sound louder in two ways: software and hardware. For software, open Settings, right arrow Music, right arrow EQ, and choose Late Night to compress dynamics and boost perceived loudness. More important, connect a powered digital-to-analog converter and headphone amplifier via a Lightning to USB adapter or certified connector. External power is often required to drive higher output. Plug your headphones into that amp, start with low gain, then raise gradually. This external amp finished by balancing amp gain and iPhone volume so you get clean, louder sound without distortion. You should test with a steady 1K HC tone or a familiar track, listen for clipping, then tweak EQ or gain until clarity and loudness are right. If things go wrong, try the key troubleshooting. Make sure the adapter and amp have power, confirm cables are fully seated, restart the iPhone, and verify the adapter is MFI certified. These steps fix most connection and compatibility failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.